I was throwing 5,000. So I have 200 here, right? Here was, where is it? 200. So I had an extra 100 here. So I added all of these numbers up, right? And I took this entire thing and I threw it on the smallest credit card.
Okay. So what if we just paying like the minimum balance on both cards, right? How
That's
would
what
I
I'm
attack
saying.
that?
Don't do it like that, because if you do, you're only paying the minimum balance. You need a strategy
Mhm.
behind it, and you start with the smallest card first. Pay that small card off.
Okay.
So you can pay it off or down to 3%, 5 to 3%. But if you're just starting, I just say pay the entire thing off. So now you can get a comprehension of what just happened. So you can put a strategy together now going forward.
So I have a theory. So say for instance, right, I got an $8,000 credit card and I'm trying to pay it off and the minimum balance is like 246. How would I attack that?
Well, is it the only credit card that has a balance, or are there more credit cards that you have a balance?
More, more.
Yes, so you arrange them from smallest to largest. Don't go after the big one first.
Okay.
You have to go for the small one. That's why it's called the snowball method.
Okay.
So just rewatch the record. It's gonna make sense to you once you rewatch the recording. You're
Got
gonna
you. I
arrange
got you.
them from smallest to largest, and you're gonna get the small one first. Once you're done with the small one, you're gonna take all that money that you put on the small one and roll it over into the next small one.
Okay.
While you have to keep maintaining the minimum balance, because if you don't maintain the minimum balance, you're going to be hit with a late payment and you're going to get hit with higher interest rate, because a missed payment in your contract states that they can raise your interest rates. Remember that. It's in the contract. Most of you never read it, but it's in there.
Okay.
And this
Understood.
snowball method, guys, I use it to clear up 15,000. And once that was done, guys, that's how I got 800. First 800 was because of this method. And that was in 2020 in Kuwait. I got an 800 credit score and I wasn't even in the country. So the snowball method works. Even though it took me 5 to 6 months, patience is virtue, guys. Just stop, like, I want you to stop paying attention to people, stop paying attention to these gurus online. Just, it's your lane. It's your lane. And Tario, when you're at weapon squad, what does the instructor always say? What do they always say? Watch your lane.
Yeah, watch your lane. Make sure you keep your eye on your targets.
Your
Don't shoot
target.
anybody else's lane.
Not
Yep.
somebody else's target. Because the minute you start watching somebody else's target, what happens, Dario?
You start shooting at their target.
You start shooting at their target. So now the other
Yep.
person passes weapons squad, but guess
Okay.
who's still left on the range? You.
Me. Yep.
I've seen it
Yep.
happen so many times. Keep your eyes on your own target. Watch your lane. Focus on you, guys. This is not a race. It's not.
Okay.
Arrange your stuff from smallest. You know what happens when you get these small wins? It encourages you to do more. When you're going to go after the big one and then you don't pay it off and you still got all the others left and you threw all that money now on that big one and you're like, golly, man. Then you still got to pay all of these other ones off. No, we're going to take the small wins and we're going to roll these small wins over into the next one and the next one and the next one. And as you do that, your payment history goes up, your utilization goes down, your credit score goes up. That's how it works. And when I found this out, ladies and gentlemen, that was the key. Back in 2020 when I realized this, that was the key to really mastering this credit and consumer law game. Now you've learned a lot tonight. This was a lot of information. I know. We've come to the end of day 3. This was a lot of information. So what I want you guys to do Make sure you get the recording and spend some time. Spend some time, go over the recording because there's so much information in here that you're going to need. Have your notebook, right? Have your notebook that you're taking your notes in. Guys, it only gets better. Tomorrow is going to be a wild day because I'm going to be showing you guys the $1 million math. I'm going to show you guys how I made my first million. Is there anyone that wants to know that, or should I just keep it to myself?
I absolutely do.
I want to know
Hey,
so
listen,
bad.
let's do it.
I want to know so
Let's
bad.
do it.
So tomorrow now we're going to go over the $1 million math. I'm going to give you guys some $1 million formula. I'm going to give you guys some examples now of how you can leverage not only credit, not only consumer law, you can also leverage digital products. I'm going to teach you guys how you can literally start making money today. No, not today's finished, but how you can start making money using the information that you have and things that you have that you just never thought that you could use. The most successful people in life, guys, they have coaches. There's a reason why they are coaches. If I didn't spend almost I made over $1 million, right? And I spent almost half of it in coaching. What do you think that means? It means that I have to invest back in myself. Do any of you have any idea how much LeBron James spends on his body? That's one of y'all homework tonight. Go look it up. You have to keep investing in yourself because a sharper mind makes you a sharper person. And when you can see the things others don't see, it's a great experience. When you start analyzing, reviewing, seeing, interpreting things that other like I am willing to bet, and I can put money on this. Any of you can go to any other credit guru's challenge or class that you're talking about personal credit. And if you see anyone that breaks this credit game down the way I do, let me know. Let me know, and I'll pay you. Because the way we dive into consumer law, guys, it is only unique to us. And the fact that you're here, it sets you apart from everybody else. When you know this stuff, ain't nobody in this game can talk crap to you. That's one. Because all of these people out there, most of them that's selling software about credit repair, ask them ask them about the dispute process. Just simple. How does the dispute process work? How do you respond to a verified, validated, accurate? Ask them that. Or ask them, what do you do when they don't respond to you? Ask them that. Or what do you do when they send you a stall letter? Just basic questions. Just ask them that. And you'll see, without a shadow of a doubt, how much they really know about the dispute process. I need a lot of help. I am here for you. And I swear I saw Haiti just drop the link just now. Oh, yep, she did. Right? Oh, it's Shantae that dropped it. Guys, the link is right here in the chat. I am here for you. I'm here for you. I'm not here to keep any secret. I'm not here to gatekeep. Because guess what? If you don't believe there's an admission to coming through the gate, this is not the place for you. I'm going to say this again. If you don't believe to enter the gate comes with an admission, this is not the place for you. It's not. Invest in yourself. You are your single most greatest asset. Why would you choose to shortchange yourself? You rather spend money on everything else but yourself and your education? The math ain't mathing. It's not. The greatest investment you will ever make is an investment in yourself. As a man thinketh in his heart, so is he. And when you can conceive and believe that you are your greatest asset, You could make $1 million, but you're gonna throw back 500,000 in your education. You're gonna fly out to Tulum. You're gonna fly out to Mexico. You're gonna fly wherever your mentor is. You are going to fly out there. Why? Because you know there's power in proximity. You know that there's no strength without struggle. You know that there's no advancement without adversities. These things happen. It happens. And the path that you choose is up to you. You can choose the path that everybody takes. Go do them credit sweeps. Go right ahead. Or you can choose the path less traveled, but the information is solid. The information is factual. The information won't put you in jail. The information won't have the Fed showing up to your house. The information will yield you a skill set that not only you can use to make money for yourself and your family, but you can help other people too. I'm your host, Daraine Delevante. This has been day 3. I do believe the link was dropped in the chat. Go ahead, guys, check me out. You don't know me yet, you don't like me, you don't trust me. That is okay. I have more than enough social proof for you to go do some research on me.